Today we are going to create a table in HTML. First we need to write the basic structure of HTML. To create a table we have table tag. Here tr tag denotes the table row. Th denotes the table heading. Td denotes the table data. We're going to create 2 rows in the table. We need to write the border attribute in the table for border in the table. We need to write border color attribute to give the color to the border. We can give the background color to the cells of the table as well. We can set the size of the border as well. Please subscribe to my channel.